Alofa lover, guys. Welcome back to another episode here on our channel. 2 more days before Christmas, so all looking forward towards Christmas. Hope you guys are doing well. A special Alofa to our Ainga members. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm just gonna make a feed for the pigs, and then we'll take it down. And I have a special surprise for you guys that I will let you guys know at the end of the episode. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Comment down below, guys, what you guys are doing for Christmas. For us, it'll just be here at home. Luckily, we've got 2 weeks break from exporting taro to American Samoa, so that'll be next week and then the week after that. So it's a good break for Uncle as well and the boys. So we're just gonna take a break from and spend some time with the family. But for us, the usual routine: pigs and our taro plantations, just to check up on them. But yeah. So guys, let's go. Man, absolutely caked in mud. Yeesh. So we might have to change where we feed the pigs, only because the rain comes downwards. So there's a lot of flow that comes from the top there and then just, settles in this area. That's why it's all muddy and stuff. You guys can see there, the water's actually pooled that bit, so it's a bit muddy. So we might have to change where we feed the pigs back up that side. But yeah, guys, it's really difficult trying to walk through here. I can see why. I can see why most people, when they have pig farms, prefer to be in like actual cement houses and stuff, housed inside like brick housings and stuff. So yeah, we might have to consider that. Jeez. Just have a look at this mud, man. Oh well. Tell you guys, this farming business, it's not for everyone, man. It's not. Only because there are proper ways to do it. So, like having shoes, boots, and stuff. So, might have to even invest in some boots. But as long as the pigs are happy, so more than happy with that. But on to our surprise, guys. I'm going to show you now. All right, guys. So, hope you're ready for the surprise. I know I am quite keen on showing you guys, especially given that you guys are the reason we're able to give you the surprise. So hope you guys enjoy. Just want to say, buckle your seatbelts and get ready. In 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that surprise. Guys, I just want to say thank you, because you know the reason I was able to purchase this drone was because of you guys sharing, liking, commenting on our channel. You know, it's been a long time coming, and you know, when I first started the channel this time last year, I actually thought, you know, that was the first thing I wanted to do, was to get a drone, just so that it makes the channel more appealing and stuff. But the reason why I was able to get this drone was because of the revenue I earned from the videos that every one of you guys helped me with. So in other words, this drone is the Christmas present from you guys for me. So I really appreciate it, guys, and I would just want to say thank you guys, because I'm able to do all of this because of you guys, and if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be able to do it. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, everyone here on the channel, for the support. You know, it's a real blessing to have you guys watch the channel and stuff, because you know, I didn't think it would take off like this. And you know, to see how everyone, you know, how everyone's helped out with the channel and stuff, commenting, liking, and we're able to get to this bit, purchasing the drone, using the revenue from the YouTube ads and stuff from the YouTube where you guys like and watch the stuff. So I really appreciate it, guys. I just want to say thank you from everyone from the beginning of the channel, everyone who liked, commented, subscribed, shared, our super chats, our super donations, even up to our new Ainga members that have joined, guys. From the bottom of my heart, just want to say thank you, guys, because you're the reason that a Samoanfarmer like me can actually have possession of these expensive stuff, is because of you guys. So just want to say thank you, guys, and I pray that I can give you guys the best content throughout the duration of this channel. So we're gonna head back home now, see what the feed is, and hope you guys tune into our Sunday cooking episode tomorrow, which will be a special one. We'll try to, you know, not too much food, but it'll be special because it'll be on Christmas Eve. So I hope you guys, I will try my best to put up another episode on Christmas Eve, if not on Christmas Day. But I just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, guys, and we'll hopefully catch you guys on that episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you guys soon. Thank you again, everyone. See you.